We are Maisara and Nabila. We are here because we will present to you about introduction to Arduino. So let's start. Question 1. What is the difference between Arduino input and output? For Arduino input pin reads the voltage on the pin as if it were a voltmeter and returns at the height of 1 in software if the voltage is close to VDD or low 0 if it is close to 0 volt. By using software, an input pin can be read using digital read function, and value returned by digital read only well defined when the input pin voltage close to VDD or 0 volt. For Arduino output, a pin provides VDD or 0 volt to whatever is connected to it. It is in high or 1 state when the pin provides VDD, and it is in low or 0 state if the pin provides 0 volt. By using software, set the state of an output pin using the digital write function. Second question. What is the difference between Arduino and microcontroller? Firstly, let me discuss about Arduino. Arduino is the PCB that containing an Atmel AVR microcontroller. It have an 8-bit AVR such as Atmega 8, Atmega 168, Atmega 328, and so on. Each of them contains a microcontroller on the board that is actually programmed and accepts the information in the form of code. Programs are written in C or C++. Let's discuss about microcontroller. Microcontroller is a compact tiny computer that is fabricated inside a chip and is used in automatic control systems, including security systems, office machines, power tools, traffic light control, washing machine, and much more. It is economical programmable logic control that can be interfaced with external device in order to control the device from a distance. C and assembly language are used to program the microcontrollers. Do you know who made first microcontroller? Okay, let me say, first microcontroller was made by Michael Cochran and Gary Bone. Question 3. What are the available sensors for Arduino input? Okay, there are examples of available sensors for Arduino input. First is ultrasonic sensors, second temperature sensors, third IR sensors, fourth light sensors, and last one is distance sensors. Okay, let's see at the right side. There are several available sensors that can be connected with Arduino input. Actually, there are many more sensors available for Arduino input, but I just list a few sensors that can be connected with Arduino input in this slide.
Question 4. What are the available components for Arduino output? This figure shows the component of Arduino output, such as reset switch, USB connector, USB interface chip, crystal oscillator, voltage regulator, power port, digital pin, TX-RX LED, microcontroller, and analog input pin. Question 5. Please explain the basic structure of the Arduino programming language. This figure shows the basic structure of Arduino language, where the setup is the preparation and the loop is the execution. The setup function should follow the declaration of any variable at the beginning of the program, and the loop function follows the next and include the code to be executed continuously. Question 6. Obtain one simple programming that control the input and output of an Arduino board and explain the detail how the program works. For this question, we choose Arduino water sensor. First, LED will help to define when the water sensor comes into contact with the water source. Second, when sensor detect water, pin 8 becomes low state and the LED will turn on. Third, LED will turn on when the sensor detects water. This is the coding for water sensor. First, attach water sensor to the Arduino digital pin 8. And LED will attach to digital pin 9. For the setup, water sensor will set as input and LED will set as the output. The water sensor will switch low when water is detected, get the Arduino to illuminate the LED and activate the buzzer when water is detected, and switch both off when no water is present. If water sensor become low, LED will add high, else LED will add low. Question 7. Please choose one example of robot built and controlled by the Arduino board. Explain how the robot works and its components. Robotic arm project using Arduino. The component is Arduino Nano, servo motor, robotic arm, Bluetooth module, and power adapter. Next is how the robot works. This robot arm uses 4 servo motor to move the arm. When press a button, it sends a distinctive personality via Bluetooth to Arduino. Once the character is received by the Arduino, its command will be recognized and the servo motor will rotate accordingly. When the red button is pressed, a character is sent through Bluetooth and the Arduino rotates the servo motor 1 degree in one cycle. If the button released, servo motor move the 1 degree in the next cycle. Same method used when press yellow button, but this time the servo motor rotates 1 degree in the directive of anti-clockwise. This figure shows the robotic arm using Arduino. The end. That's all from us. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for next video, okay? Bye bye.